Here's how far my headlights are off. So this one over here is the one I'm using to correct this one. So this one should be somewhat accurate. See it right there? The one I just installed. I got to raise it up to get even with this one here. Reason it's so low is because I had a deer run in front of me and did a little damage. I don't know if you can see, but so it's never really been corrected. So let's go ahead and start raising this one up. First thing we're going to do is to remove the bezel here so we can get to the light and the screws holding the light in. So the bezel has Phillips head screw right here and right here. And we've got our Phillips head screwdriver. Just going to go ahead and remove those. Alright, once unscrewed, we're going to try to get these out without dropping them. There we go, there's one. And number two. Alright, now the bezel will just fall out like it did. Okay, so I got the beams just about even now on the brick wall. I'll show you that in a second, but I wanted to show you where the adjustment screws are at and how to, not necessarily how to adjust them. Well, I will tell you this. Here's the adjustment screw. It is a Torx 15 that is right in the center of the bulb. That is for raising or lowering the beam. And we have one over here on the right, my right side. You know, again, that's a Torx 15, and that is for the right and the left. I'm not going to adjust that tonight. Just raising the beam is what I needed to do. So for raising it clockwise, which I've already done. Yeah, clockwise. And for lowering it would be counterclockwise. Sprayed a lot of PB Blaster in here to loosen this up. Both of these were very tight, so I did need some lubricant. So we're good. Let me show you the brick wall now. So pretty even. You can see the new one appears to be brighter, a little bit brighter than the older one on the driver's side. But maybe could it come up a little bit more? I don't know, I think we're good. So anyway, let's try the highs. Alright, so here's a look at the high. Yeah, they're in line. Now, I'm not sure about the right and the left. I may have to, tape off the wall and, make the line, put the lines there with tape. We'll do that later, but tonight, just wanted to kind of even them out. So we're good. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful. Finding the adjustment screws and how to raise and lower the beam. Thanks for watching. Take care.